Air pollution is a global epidemic. From the big headlines we hear about to the personal stories we don't, millions of people feel its effects every day. We are Cool Mask, and we have a solution. This is Hexa, the best cleanest appliance ever created. With two customized fans and a control dial to adjust airflow, Hexa can power up to 150 liters of clean air per minute, 20 times the amount you consume while resting. This increased clean air supply alleviates pressure from your lungs and helps you breathe better. So whether you're walking, cycling, or on the road, Hexa keeps you safe and breathing easy. Hexa's replaceable, proprietary filter provides triple-layer protection against exhaust smoke, allergens, bacteria, and viruses. The filter is assembled using 3 key elements: a high-tech particle filter, military-grade active carbon fabric, and when combined, Hexa can block legal particles smaller than 2.5 microns, commonly known as PMs. When people wear Hexa, we want them to feel free. It's light and breathable thanks to its overall construction. Its triple-layer valve efficiently releases heat, moisture, and CO2, keeping the mask cool and dry. The face seal and clean airflow combine to create positive pressure, preventing any leaks and blocking out light. All this is powered by a separate mobile power bank, keeping Hexa flexible and safe. Hexa is compliant to international standards, including RoHS, CE, UL, FCC, FDA, and NIOSH. Hexa's control unit also doubles as an air quality sensor that can be used on its own. It detects airborne levels that alerts you when there lights or notifications. Pollution data can be mapped out on our app, so you know exactly what Hexa is doing. When connected to a Wi-Fi network, the air quality data can be shared with the cell phone and Hexa. Engineered for superior airflow, unmatched protection, and total comfort. Hexa is your great.
My family suffered from asthma caused by air pollution.
We looked for a face mask, but finding a good one was impossible.
So we built Hexa.
We have been developing Hexa for 2 years. We have assembled a phenomenal team of engineers and software developers helping us through a dozen designs and prototypes.
With Hexa, I can travel anywhere without worrying about air pollution.
We want to give you and your loved ones the same peace of mind. We hope you can share and back our campaign. Thank you.